How to set up TP-Link Deco M4 as repeater. Heads up before start. You can set up a TP-Link Deco unit as repeater only for another TP-Link Deco unit which is already set up as a main router. All TP-Link Deco models are compatible between each other. Step 1. Power on your TP-Link Deco. Find the power socket on the bottom panel. Here it is. Plug in the power cable and plug in the adapter to a power outlet. Wait for the indicator at the top to start blinking blue. Step 2. Set up Mesh Network Satellite. Open TP-Link Deco application on your smartphone. Hit the plus icon at the top right. Hit Add a Deco unit. Specify how many floors does your house have and hit Next. Make sure your Deco unit is placed in an open space within 40 feet from your main Deco unit and hit Next. Make sure your Deco unit is away from large electrical appliances and hit Next. Hit Next on this screen. Tap Add this device. Select location of your mesh node unit or select custom location. Hit Next arrow. If you have more Deco units, hit Add another Deco. If no, just hit Done. Now you can see 2 Deco units in your network configuration. Thanks for watching.